This video explains about resistance upset butt welding. Fixed head, moving head, copper alloy clamps. The ends of two parts to be joined together are clamped position in the electrodes. Movable head moved towards the fixed head until the abutting surfaces of workpieces are in light contact. The current flow across the interface for a preset time. The interface has been heated to plastic state. The welding pressure is increased to form an upset.